Finding bank account number and routing number on Payoneer is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. As you can see, you can find your bank account number on your checkbook or deposit slip. Next, you can also search for this on your online banking profile. So, even if not there, you can try to find this routing number on a mobile banking app. Here, for this, go to the information section. There are 3 methods by which you can find your bank account number and routing number on Payoneer. Payoneer is a financial service that provides prepaid MasterCard debit cards as well as international money transfer and digital payment services. Payoneer account holders do not have traditional bank account numbers and routing numbers like those associated with regular bank accounts. Instead, Payoneer provides users with a virtual U.S. bank account which can be used to receive payments from U.S. companies. The U.S. payment service details provided by Payoneer are specific to receiving U.S. ACH transfers. Additionally, Payoneer may charge fees for receiving payments, and these fees can vary on the type of payment you receive.